Hello. Uh, Courtesy the third wave, and I was we are restricted to go out of our houses. So I thought I'd make a video after a very long time on the UP elections and the three prominent people who were there in the elections of UP. Priyanka Gandhi, her date of birth is 12 January 1972, and as per me, 17:05 hours at Delhi. Though she has a strong horoscope, but uh, there is a 6/12th axis of Moon and Saturn. The Dasha at the moment does not favor her, and I believe that till 2024 there is not a very great chance of her getting a prominent position in the national uh, arena or as a political figure. Yes, after 2024, she will come up as a good politician and as a force. At the moment, I would not bet for her and not surely show for the UP elections. Mayawati, she's born on January 15th, 1956 at 19 hours 50 minutes at Delhi. I'm not giving a lot of value to the time, but yes, the time is more or less correct because this is horoscope. I have been using her and also fits into the past events which she's had in her life. As far as this year is concerned, uh, Saturn is going to be a key planet for her, and it is making key planetary combinations. She may not do excellently well, but she will be poised to be a kingmaker in her own way, and she will improve her position as compared to her last position which she had. Um, so there is a good yoga, and Mars is strongly placed. It indicates a better performance for Mayawati during the upcoming elections, but nowhere near forming the government. Akhilesh Yadav, as far as I know, and the date which is circulating, 1st July 1973 is not right. His actual date of birth is 24th October 1972, which I have got it rightly from places. And considering this as the chart, the horoscope of Akhilesh Yadav becomes extremely strong, and I feel that Mars is strongly placed in his ascendant Navamsha, and Jupiter Venus could be the dasha which is running, but leaving aside dasha and antardasha and taking into account the Bhrigu Paddhati which I follow, I feel that he would be a very important force to reckon with. In fact, he will come out in good numbers, and had the elections been in the month of April, perhaps he would have been the CM of the state. So excellent time for Akhilesh Yadav, and he will make very good very good stride and do very well in the forthcoming elections, is my prediction. As far as Yogi Adityanath is concerned, born on 5th June 1972 at 10 hours 54 minutes. His horoscope, the exchange which is there is now finishing, and it is the exchange of Mercury Venus which was there, which was exchange of Mercury Venus which is there, which was actually gave him all the pride and which made him the chief minister made him win the elections in UP, etc., etc. And but now the Dasha of Ketu Jupiter starts from 15th of Dasha starts from 8th November 2000, November 221 to November 222. I do not see this Dasha to be very strong, and he may be the largest party. I don't even think he would be he'll be able to form a simple majority, but that's again, we cannot predict it by means of astrology. Yes, but there is a big downfall. He could be a large or the largest party which is there. There are good chances of his continuing as the chief minister, but that also, in terms of getting people from other persons to join and heading a weak government, which I believe is likely to fall in a year and a half, which would also fall in due course of time. But he could be the largest party or just scrape through, and not a good period for him at all. Big steep downfall. I believe in terms of very minor calculations that he would become the CM and leads us a very weak party, a weak coalition kind of a thing he may lead, which again may not exist for a long time. Akhilesh takes huge strides. Mayawati may be the kingmaker. This is logical. I am doing these predictions which are not based on my personal views of any party. In fact, I may be personally following the ideology of some party, and the views here are different. They are also based on my limited knowledge of astrology, and last of all, they are based on the date of birth. Like Akhilesh's date of birth is wrong, so we did a lot of research in finding out the actual date of birth. So it's based on date of birth and the near about time, which we have been able to garner from various places, from various sources which are there, which of course I will not reveal here. And this is my prediction for the UP elections. Thank you and bye for now. Let's see what happens after 10th March.